What's going on, guys, and welcome to another episode of my top 5 fitted hats of the week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. And I already told you last week that we are changing it from the top 3 to the top 5 in total. I would say without further ado, let's go into this. But before we start, one more thing. If you like the content here on the channel, please hit the like button. And if you have not hit the subscribe button so far, please also hit the subscribe button. This is totally free and you can join the best hat community on this planet, the Topperzstore family. So let's go into this and let's start with my 5th place this week. And this was a Minor League Monday drop, and boy oh boy, this looks so amazing. The Oklahoma City Comets in this colorway, like space. And this is also glowing in the dark, has a perfect amount of metallics, and you can see already this two-tone looks absolutely amazing. Then this guy on the side, as I already said, is glowing in the dark. And we have the new Minor League Batman on the back, flat this time, gray UV, black guts. This is my 5th place this week from Topperzstore USA. You guys know I absolutely love those super classic baseball hats, and it was time when we saw this logo the first time, we said, okay, we have to do a hat with this. So classic baseball hat for me, two-tone, Kelly green UV, white guts. Oh yes, look at this, beautiful Cleveland Indians. And the perfect thing is, this hat is 100% made of wool. We got the Cleveland Stadium World Series side patch. Then you got the Cooperstown Betty on the back, and it's made of wool. I absolutely love how this hat came out. And yeah, there should be more hats like this, to be honest, because this is super classic, made of wool, Kelly green UV. My 4th place this week from Topperzstore in Europe. My 3rd place this week is from Topperzstore USA, another beautiful Realtree hat, and this time from the Pelicans, and this looks absolutely amazing. The Myrtle Beach Pelicans, I know you guys love that logo, and it looks even better on Realtree. 25th anniversary side patch, metallic gold, metallic copper. Those details are absolutely flashing, and then you got the new Minor League Batman on the back, also in copper and gold, Kelly green UV, white guts. My 3rd place this week from Topperzstore USA. And now my 2nd and my 1st place are international releases. And you guys know, and I got a lot of positive feedback for that we are doing more and more international releases so that you guys have access to all the hats that we are doing. So my 2nd place this week is this crazy indigo silver Chicago Blackhawks, and this looks crazy. So Noera does such a great job with these embroideries, and they came out exactly like I expected it. We already did a version like this with gold, and this is now pure silver. It looks like a coin on the side. You can see all the details. This is so crazy on this hat with the All-Star Game side patch. And then you got the NHL shield in the back. Also, beautiful colorway, gray UV, black guts, the Chicago Blackhawks. And now, finally, coming to my 1st place this week. And I know that a lot of you guys were waiting for this. Me too. I mean, this logo is absolutely fantastic. And finally, we had the opportunity to make it. Gray UV, black guts. The Seattle Kraken with this special Seattle Kraken Winter Classic 2024 logo. And you can see here some metallic details. Looks absolutely nice with the ice and the rope in copper. Then you got the Seattle Kraken in the front. Beautiful logo, NHL shield on the back. Gray UV, black guts. This is my 1st place this week from both stores. Let me know in the comments below, do you agree with my selection, or do you have a different selection? Which hats did you buy, or which is your favorite hat of the week? And also, which teams would you like to see next at Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA? I would like to thank you guys for tuning in again to my top 5 fitted hats of the week, and I hope to see you again tomorrow, live in the stream, Cap Talk episode 193. And oh my god, I have already the hats here and they are absolutely crazy. So another crazy week is ahead, and I can't wait to share those with you. Tune in tomorrow. Thank you very much for tuning in, and enjoy the rest of your Sunday. I'm out. Bye.